Zdravo nasite! Hello everyone and welcome back to my Macedonian language channel. I'm Ali and this is episode 8. Last time we practiced reading simple words and sentences. Today we are going to learn something very practical, numbers. By the end of this lesson, you are going to be able to count from 1 to 10 in Macedonian and even use numbers in short sentences. So let's get started. Here are all 10 numbers with the pronunciation. Eden, which means 1. Dva, which means 2. 3, which means 3. 4, which means 4. 5, which means 5. 6, which means 6. 7, which means 7. 8, which means 8. 9, which means 9. 10, which means 10. Let's say them slowly together. Eden, dva, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's say a bit faster. Eden, dva, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. Here are some examples. Eden ученик, 1 student. 2 ябълка, 2 apples. 3 книги, 3 books. 4 стола, 4 chairs. 5 деца, 5 children. 6 месеци, 6 months. 7 дена, 7 days. 8 часа, 8 hours. 9 кучиња, 9 dogs. And 10 прсти, 10 fingers. Let's play a little game. I will show you an object on the screen and you say the number in Macedonian before I do. 3 ябълка. 2 кучиња. 5 книги. Now let's count backwards from 10 to 1. Ready? Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and first, count from 1 to 10 in Macedonian. Second, count backwards from 10 to 1. And third, look around your room and count 3 things out loud, like books, cups, or people. Why not? Fun facts about the numbers in Macedonian. Decimal system rules. Macedonian numbers use the decimal system like English, but the structure is super logical. For example, 11 is just 11, 1, 10, 1. The number 3 in traditions. The number 3 shows up in many customs and sayings often connected to the Orthodox Christian tradition Holy Trinity, like 3 kisses on the cheek. Prices in dinars. Before the Macedonian denar was introduced in 1993, people counted prices in Yugoslav dinars. So older generations sometimes still mention dinars out of habit. Ordinal numbers are simple. To make first, second, third, Macedonian just adds an ending. For example, Eden or prv, dva or vtor, tri, tret. The number 40 in weddings. Traditionally, after a wedding or a childbirth, families gather again on the 40th day for blessing and celebration. The number 40 carries special cultural meaning. Big numbers sound long. Macedonian big numbers can be real tongue twister for learners. For example, 999 for 999. Bravo! You can now count from 1 to 10 in Macedonian. Use numbers in sentences and even count backwards. Numbers are super useful when talking about your age, money, time, or shopping. In the next episode, we will learn of the days of the week in Macedonian. Se gledаме. See you next time.